How to change TikTok profile picture. So if you want to change your TikTok profile picture, then these are the steps you need to take. So if at the end of this you find this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To change your TikTok profile picture, go ahead and open the TikTok application. Click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then you should see your profile picture. That's the current profile picture. To change it, locate and click on Edit. Then click on the camera icon on your profile. You can either click on Take Photo, Upload Photo, or View Photo. So in this case, I'm going to click on Upload Photo. This is going to show you all the photos you can upload from your phone. So go ahead and select the photo you want to upload as your new TikTok profile photo, like this. And then go ahead and click on Save. You can preview before you save it. Then click on Save and Post. Or better still, click on Save, and that is going to change your TikTok profile for you and set the new photo as your TikTok profile picture. And that's it. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.